Ibotta does not send a payment the moment you scan a receipt, because your cashback first has to be added to your account, and then move through the withdrawal process. By the end, you'll know how Ibotta payments work, what steps affect payout timing, and what to check if your cashback is taking longer than expected. The answer depends on three parts: earning cashback, waiting for the receipt or offer to process, and completing the withdrawal steps inside your Ibotta account. Section 1 is how Ibotta cashback becomes available. When you use Ibotta, you earn cashback by completing eligible offers and submitting qualifying receipts or purchases. The cashback does not appear as a completed payment immediately because Ibotta needs to review the activity before the reward is added. If your cashback is missing, open the Ibotta app and check your account activity. Your activity history can show whether a receipt was submitted, whether an offer was completed, or whether the reward is still being processed. Section 2 is what can make a payment take longer. A delayed payment can happen when a receipt needs additional review, when an offer requirement has not been completed, or when there is an issue with the account used for withdrawal. The first step is to compare your receipt with the offer details inside Ibotta. Make sure the product, store, and purchase requirements match what was listed before submission. You should also check that your account information is correct before requesting a withdrawal. Payment problems are often connected to incomplete account details or an unfinished withdrawal process. Section 3 is how to check your payment status. Start by opening the Ibotta app and reviewing your earnings balance. Then check your activity history for the cashback offer connected to your payment. If your cashback is showing in your account but the payment has not completed, review the withdrawal section and confirm that the request was submitted correctly. Keeping track of your receipts and completed offers also makes it easier to find where a delay happened. The main points are simple. Ibotta payments depend on cashback approval, correct offer completion, and completing the withdrawal process properly. Checking your activity history is the fastest way to understand where your payment stands. Your next step is to open Ibotta, review your latest cashback activity, and confirm that your withdrawal details are complete. If this guide helped you understand Ibotta payment timing, like the video, and subscribe for more rewards app guides.